Hey, yeah, I look so beautiful today, huh? Right? I look so put together. I would go like this to work and like, on a date night. Like, oof, I look fabulous right now. I feel so cute today. Oh my gosh. I have no idea. I'm kidding. Anyways, I'm gonna do a mystery unboxing. I say mystery because I don't know which brand sent me this. It doesn't say a name. Just Sparks, Nevada. Girl, I don't know who that is, but I feel like it's gonna be beauty, right? Excuse me. So let's see. Ta-da! Oh, it is beauty. It's makeup brand. Oh yeah, I forgot about this brand. They reached out to me through email, and this brand is called True plus Luscious. Okay, so right here is the shipping label of their products they sent me. They sent me 3 things. I chose. Okay, they asked me like, here, which ones do you want? And one of the things that I chose is this sheer halo velvet matte complexion powder. So it's a powder. I needed powder, but this is in the shade warm beige 03. I don't know what's my shade at all, so I went with pictures online. It's so hard. I hope it's not too dark. I should have gotten the lightest one. I don't know, but basically this is how the packaging looks, how to use it, the ingredients, everything. So oh look, it might be my shade match for my face and neck. Yeah, I think it might. It's probably not. Oop, I have a pimple right here. Ignore that. So I'm so excited to try their products out. You can see my eye still looks a little bit swollen, but I don't feel anything anymore. So I think I'm gonna wait another week just to make sure before I put makeup on. So let me open this. I had to rip off the box, but excuse me, look at the angel wings and the lips. The packaging is so cute and it's so sturdy, like gray plastic. Wow. So this is how the back looks. It says the sheer halo matte complexion powder, the shade name. Let's see how it looks on my dry skin. But ooh, I love that it comes with a sponge. Oh, it's way too dark on me. I got the wrong shade. Oops. But look how pretty the mirror. It is too dark, but it is too dark. I thought it was gonna be lighter, but no. I should have gotten with I was like, do I get the fair one or this one? I took forever's because I usually get super light products, but this time I'm like, I'm gonna choose a shade darker, and now that I did risk it, it's dark. Oops. I'll probably use it as a foundation powder or on top of foundation, or I don't know, I'll have to swatch it whenever I do my foundation because it's too dark. Anyways, the next thing they sent me is their plumping lip and eye serum. So this product is pretty cool. I saw it their website. That's mainly why they contacted me, for me to try out this product out. So I'm talking weird. I think it's my lips accent. I don't know what the frick. I can't pronounce words these few days correctly. Why? I don't freaking know. Anyways, so ooh, look, the flowers. Good Clean Glam. Alright, so this is a vegan, cruelty-free brand, by the way. It's a nice brand. So they're on Instagram. They're not a big brand, like you can't find them at Ulta or Sephora. I don't think. It's just like a small indie brand. Yeah, so But this product is pretty cool because you can use it for your lips to plump them, but also for your eye serum. I feel like it kind of diminished those fine lines, I think. I can't remember, but I'll put pictures or videos or facts right here, and not here in my video description, because yeah. So let me show you. Oh, it's pretty cool. It looks like an injection, literally. It looks so cool. Wow, I just love the packaging. It's roses, yeah, like flowers. It's so pretty. Look, it looks this was pretty sure it's clear. They only had one option to choose from, which it comes like this. So cool. Wow, I'm just obsessed. It's pretty chunky though. It's big. I thought it was gonna be small, so if you have small lips or eyes, so it's pretty cool though, because usually they're small. So this is how the wand looks. The applicator was. So it comes in a little hole there. So I guess you press the product out and then it's gonna come out, and then you put it there on your eyes and your lips. So this is a multi-use product, which is cool, and those are all the ingredients it has. So they sound great. I'm kind of scared because I have allergic reaction with one of these Derma lip plumpers, that all my face started to get swollen and red and crazy. I put a video here last year. Girl, let's hope this one doesn't make my face and skin react intensely, right? So I don't know, we'll see. And the other thing they were gonna send me was a mascara, but I already have mascaras because Ipsy sends me some each month. I was like, I don't need any right now, so I'm like, can you give me your eyeshadow palette instead? And look, they did. They were like, yeah, sure. I was like, oh, yay. I was so happy. Look at their eyeshadow palette. Like, come on, the packaging, like, look, it's reflective and like 3D, like hollow, not 3D, holographic, like rainbowish, and oh, it looks like a party. Like it's it looks so cool. I'm obsessed again with the packaging, and obviously I'm obsessed with the shades because I don't have these periwinkle purple, lavender, shimmery, pretty shades. I was like, I need it. I don't have a palette like this, so I was like, can I please have it? They were like, yeah, sure. So yay, I'm obsessed. I'm blessed. Like, what they let me choose a palette and said, wow, the pants are big. I thought they were gonna be smaller, but that's cool. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, like 10 shadows. And look at this blue one. I'm obsessed. Look, the shadow, it looks like earth. It looks so pretty. I can't. So they're all matte except these. Oh, they're matte and shimmer. Wow, they're so. It's kind of hard to show you because it kind of reflects, but they're so pretty. I was like, these shades I need, and that one, that one these are pretty shades to use every day, but also like for a night out, you know, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty spring palette, I think. So I can't write. Like, maybe I'm gonna do a tutorial in this video, if not a separate video, and then maybe do like a little first impressions of me trying these and like reviewing them, because recently I've been getting contacted by small Instagram, Amazon brands that are not really sold at like the actual stores. So I don't know, it's pretty cool. Maybe people are kind of curious how it looks because there's not really a lot of reviews out there. So I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably do a video, separate video talking about it more. I don't know, girl. But yeah, not today. I can't. because, or maybe I should. No, because you see, this one's not swollen and this one still looks. I hope it doesn't stay like that forever. Imagine. No. I don't know what it is. Probably an insect bit me, because it's getting like hot, like summer now. So all of the bugs are coming out. Usually in the summer, it's like, it's not even summer yet. Like, oh, you know. But anyways, so yay, that's it for today. They just sent me 3 things, which I'm so grateful for. To me, this is a lot. Like a palette, a powder, a lip plumping, eye serum. Probably like, girl, they sent me everything I need. I actually did need a powder, so anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for this mini unboxing. Thank you so much. Try Luscious. That's their website. You can look at their products. They have cute products there, alright? So yeah, better check them out. And no, this is not paid. This is gifted. So yes, that's pretty much it. Bye. Thanks for watching.